Welcome to this week's Q&A. This week's question is, should I increase my marketing when my business revenue or profits are down? I'm going to talk about a few questions you need to ask before you decide to increase your marketing budget when your business revenue or profits are going down. Firstly, it's important to ask what type of downturn your business is experiencing. Is the downturn just affecting your business, or is it affecting your whole industry? Or are you experiencing a whole economy or country recession? This is important to ask because it'll impact your decision-making process. Let's look at the first case. The downturn is only affecting your business. You need to ask yourself honestly if your product or service is better or at least the same as your competitors. If your product is not better, you should not increase your marketing. You first need to fix your product or service, otherwise you're wasting your marketing dollars. You also need to figure out if the decrease in profit is the result of less sales or some internal process that's broken. For example, suppliers that are slow to deliver, or because of increased costs that you need to address. In these cases, you don't want to increase marketing because it will not help your business grow. You will, however, want to increase your marketing if in the past you've typically done little to no marketing and mostly relied on word of mouth. Or if there are new marketing channels that your customers are moving to, for instance, a new social media platform. If the downturn is affecting your whole industry, then you need to ask yourself, is your industry dying? For example, Blockbuster Video was renting videos, and then along came Netflix. No amount of marketing would fix the shift in customer preference for on-demand videos, so the marketing would be wasted. However, if there's just a cyclical downturn in the industry for some external factor, then increasing marketing to take market share from your competitors is a wise choice. In addition, if you're doing something that's innovative in your industry, then it would be necessary to communicate this to customers via increased marketing. If it is a global downturn in the whole economy, you need to ask yourself firstly if there are still customers for your product or service. If there are no or limited customers, it might be wiser to focus on cutting costs and waiting out the storm and being ready to rapidly increase marketing when the recession is over and there are customers again. For instance, at the moment with the COVID-19 virus crisis, there's no point increasing your marketing for your nail salon because there are just no customers who are going to come to your business no matter how much you market. However, if there are still customers willing to buy and you have the cash to weather the recession in terms of fixed cost and costs of acquiring new customers, then you could increase marketing and push out a few competitors who are not well capitalized. I hope you found this video informative. Click the like button if you liked this video and want to see more videos like this for your business. If you have a question about your business, click the link above to submit a question. Or if you'd like to vote on a potential question, click the other link above. If you have any follow-up questions, please make sure to comment below and subscribe to our channel to be notified of our weekly business videos and answers to other questions.